Hey guys, I'm going to show you all my fire alarms again. First start with the new devices. Well, what do the originals? What model is this? 4903 9219. No, is this one? 9221. 4903 9221. Sadly crack on the top. Simplex True Alert. Simplex 4903 9426. 75 Candela. The two first ones I showed you are 15 Candela. 493 9425. 15 Candela. This one has no strobe. 4901 9822. One only. My Simplex pull station. Where's more of my keys? Hopefully I do have them. Let me take this crap off. Okay, I got one set. I've not messed with them in a long time. Hopefully I still. Oh, yep, I do. I still got my Simplex B keys. This pull station, let me reset it. Here's a functional one. What model is this? This is my very first fire alarm I ever got. Pull station. No, it's the other one. The other one is the very first one I ever got. This is my second one. Yeah, now I could tell. Been a long time I messed with these. It's another Simplex BT. Here's my firstest one ever. Still works today. I bought this the same time of my old 4903 9401. They're both dead. What model is this? 4903 9237 30 Candela. It originally was my 4903 9215 to I switched it over. And yes, my 9221 is the original horn. It's my busted system sensor sync module. It still works. But every time it does the code 3 pattern with true alerts or electronic horns, it works excellently with mechanical horns, but not electronic. It keeps the power half second on. Well, keep it on like a 1% on. Every time it does the code 3, it sounds wrong. It still works, kind of. I blew it up. Simplex 4903 9220. No, 4903 9219. Same thing like the other one, 15 Candela. My 4903 9226. 4903 9236. 15 Candela. Or last device. My Simplex Adaptabel. No, not my Simplex. My Edwards Adaptabel. I got this thing at my high school. They give it to me. Now we're going to smoke alarms. You know, I could tell you a story about this one. This thing was sitting in my sister's bedroom. The thing fall out of the ceiling with the anchors, and the anchors are out of the freaking ceiling. And this thing come with it, and it fall on the floor and scared a couple cats in her room. Yeah, that was chaotic. Now I got it. Well, it doesn't work because someone decided to take out the mechanism. This is new from the collection. That's code 1. My smoking CO. Used to have another one before I broke it. That's code 3 in carbon monoxide. The code, like the does that like every few seconds. This one is one of my first alerts. Got 2 of them. I think this one is your first and your second one. Finally found the bracket. This one. Been sitting in the building for years. Well, not for years, from 2021. Probably recognize this. I have it for the first, I started the channel, but right after that, I lost it, and I found the alarm like a few months ago, and I found the bracket again. Probably recognize this one. This is what it looks like inside. Put your battery in there. And this one is a neighbor given to me. The old Sears. Has a cool sound to it. It's like a mechanical horn, but it's a squealer. Sears. This little thing. My kiddo. There's a universal smoke alarm from my sister's room. Yes, our house does have smoke detectors because we've replaced every one of them. And the last one, the Family Guard. Probably recognize this one. I got this thing at a restore. Time to put them all back in there. Sure, gave this one care because it's old. It's from the 50s. This, I don't know how old is this one. $1957. The bell is older. The other bell. Is a good trick. Just put the heavier stuff on the bottom. If you don't, you probably could crush a whole bunch of things, and you do not want that. Got 349 of 3, 549 of 3s, and got 149 of 1. We'll forget about this true alert. This thing doesn't weigh too much. is the whole box. Thank you for watching. Bye.